Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are well and safe at your home. Okay, so children, yesterday we had done the rest of the questions which were left from exercise 2.2. So after that I had explained you with the help of an example that how to solve the word problems of addition and subtraction. I hope that was clear to you. So now today we are going to start with exercise 2.3, which is based on addition and subtraction word problems, or you can say addition and subtraction in real life. Fine. So let us start with our very first question from exercise 2.3. What is our first question? There are 9 crore 24 lakh 9,540 women, 7 crore 65 lakh 85,372 men, and 3 crore 78 lakh 49,075 children in a city. What is the total population of the city, and how many more women are there than men? First of all, what we have to do? We have to find out the total population of the city. Fine. And then we have to find out how many more women are there than men. So what we will do? We will subtract the number of men from the number of women. Fine. But first of all, we have to find out the total population of the city. So how we will find out? How many men are there? What are the number of men? Number of men are 7 crore 65 lakh 85,372. Then number of women. Number of women are 9 crore 24 lakh 9,540. After that, how many children? Number of children are 3 crore 78 lakh 49,075. Now we have to find out the total population. Total population means we are going to add these numbers. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. Okay. So it means the total population of the city is 20 crore 68 lakh 43,987. Now, how many more women are there than men? So, number of women are 9 crore 24 lakh 9,540, and number of men are 3 crore 78. Number of men are 7 crore 65 lakh 85,372. So more women. We have to find out the more women. For finding the more number of women, we are going to subtract them. We will take one borrow from this 4. So 10 minus 2 is 8. This will become 3. Again we will take one borrow from this 5. This will become 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. This will become 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now we will take one borrow from this 4. This will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. This will become 3. Again we will take one borrow from this 2. 13 minus 5 is 8. This will become 1. Again we will take one borrow from this 9. This will become 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. This will become 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. Firstly you have to write in columns. I had not written in columns. I just write it here. 9 2 4 0 9 5 4 0, and here it's 7 6 5 8 5 3 7 2, and then you have to subtract. Fine. Again I am doing 10 minus 2 is 8. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. 13 minus 5 is 8. 11 minus 6 is 5. And 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay. So, there were 15 crore 82 lakh. There were 1 crore 58 lakh 24,168 more women than men. Fine. So, what we have to do in this question, firstly we will find the total population of the city, then we will find the number of more women, how many more women are there in the city than man. So it means we have to subtract the number of men from the number of women, and the more women are 1 crore 58 lakh 24,168. So this was the solution of question number 1. Now the next question, question number 2 is, Sumita earns rupees 58,723 more than her brother Saurabh per year. Okay, if Sunita earns, it's Sumita earns rupees 5,45,920 per year, find Saurabh's salary per year. So what we have given the earning of Sumita, but it is also told that Sumita earns 58,723 more than her brother Saurabh. So first of all, what we are going to do is, we are going to assume that the earning of Saurabh is X. So suppose I am assuming earning of Saurabh, suppose earning of Saurabh is X. Okay, then earning of Sumita will be equal to, Sumita earns 58,723 more than her brother Saurabh. It means if we will add this 58,723 to this X, we can get the earning of Sumita, which will be, that will be equal to the earning of Sumita. So the earning of Sumita will be X plus 58,723, but we have already given the earning of Sumita. Okay, so given earning of Sumita is rupees 5,45,920. So from this and this term, what can we conclude? That this is equal to means 5,45,920 is equal to x plus 58,723, because this is also the earning of Sumita and this is also the earning of Sumita. Yes, so these both terms will be equal. Now we have to find out the earning of Saurabh. It means we have to find out the value of this x, because x is the earning of Saurabh. So how we will find out? See, here this 58,723 is getting added. So when it will come to this side, it will be subtracted. Okay, whenever we have to move any term from left hand side to right hand side or from right hand side to left hand side, its sign will be changed. Here there was plus sign, so when it will come to this sign, there it will change into minus sign. It will be changed into minus sign. So now we are going to subtract these terms. I am going to subtract here. Okay, so 10 minus 3 is 7. This will become 1. Again we will take one borrow. 11 minus 2 is 9. This will become 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. And then we will take one borrow from this 4. This will become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. This will become 3. We will again take borrow from this 5. 13 minus 5 is 8 and this will become 4. Okay, so the answer will be rupees 4,87,197. So children, we were given the earning of Sumita, but we were also given that earning of Sumita is equal to the earning of Saurabh plus 58,723. It means earning of Sumita is 58,723 more than the earning of Saurabh. So we have assumed the earning of Saurabh is equal to x and earning of Sumita will be equal to x plus 58,723. But we have already given the earning of Sumita, which is equal to this. So it means this and this terms will be equal. So we have written this equal. Now we have to find out the value of this x, which is equal to the earning of Saurabh. So for finding the value of x, we will subtract this 58,723 from this number. So we will get rupees 4,87,197, and this is the earning of Saurabh. Fine. This is the solution of question number 2. Now let's come to the third question. Third question is, Samika has spent 2,59,200 seconds on her project. If she was given 3,60,000 seconds to prepare it, how much more time does she have? Okay children, so let us take the smallest term. If you have given 30 seconds to complete one project or one activity, but you have completed, you have spent 15 seconds for your activity. You were given 30 seconds but you have spent 15 seconds. So how much more time do you have? So how much more time do you have? For finding the more time, you will subtract this 15 from 30. So you will get 15 seconds. So here also you need to subtract the time spent by her from the time given to her. Fine. Now we are going to solve it. So firstly we will write time given for project was 3,60,000 and time spent for project is equal to 2,59,200. So how much more time she has? We are going to subtract 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. Now we are going to take borrow from this 6. This will become 5. This will become 10 and this will become 9. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 is 1. So children, she will be having 1,08,000 seconds more to solve her project. So what was given to us? We were given that she was given the time for project. What was the time given to prepare her project? 3,60,000 and the time spent by her for project was 2,59,200. Now we have to find out how much more time she has. So for that we have subtracted the time spent by her from the time given to her. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 0 minus 0 is 0. Then we have taken one borrow from this 6. This will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 5 is again 0 and 3 minus 2 is 1. Fine. So she will be having 1,08,000 seconds more to solve her project. Okay. So children, these were the solutions from question 1 to question 3. And your homework for today is you have to try to do question number 4 by yourself. If you will find any difficulty, then you can send me message on WhatsApp. Okay, or you can call me and ask if you have any doubt in the question. And rest of the questions, rest of the parts we are going to solve in our next lecture. So that's all for today children. Thank you so much. God bless you.